Dear learners, how are you? I hope all of you are in hale and hearty. COVID-19 has grasped the whole world. We are cut off from our classroom study for a long time. It hampers our academic activities severely. So, Sirajganj Online School has arranged online classes. I am Abul Kalam Azad, Assistant Professor in English of Belkusi Government College, welcoming you to join the class. I hope all of you will be highly benefited if you attend the class sincerely and attentively. Dear learners, today I will discuss a passage from Unit 12 Lesson 1 of your textbook. The passage is about the bad condition of rivers in our country. We know that Bangladesh is called the land of rivers, but it's a matter of great regret that the rivers are not in good shape. Some of the rivers have already disappeared, some of them are about to disappear, and the river Buriganga is an example of such kind of such a dying river. In this passage, we will discuss about the condition of various rivers in our country. Dear learners, when you will solve in a passage, you will have to go through the passage attentively. If you cannot comprehend the passage, if you cannot understand the passage well, it will not be possible for you to solve the problems, to answer the questions well. We can solve a passage in three form. In the first passage, you have 5 multiple choice questions and 5 short questions. In the second passage, you will have information transfer. It may be in the form of flowchart or filling the gap according to instruction. And in the third passage, you will have to summarize the passage. You will have to summarize the passage. Now, we are going to solve the passage as the first one. Now, go through the passage. Unit 12 Lesson 1. Dear learners, you should open your textbook and go through the passage attentively and try to follow the questions. If you cannot understand the passage, it will not be possible for you to answer the questions well. At first, you will have to choose the best answer from 4 alternatives. I have already written on the board. You can write down. You can read the questions. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Number A. What kind of river is the Buriganga now? What kind of river is the Buriganga now? If we go through the passage, all of you will be able to answer the question, the best answer of the question. Here we find 4 alternatives. What kind of river is the Buriganga now? Buriganga এখন কোন ধরনের নদী? Dying, flowing, having current, a river of clean water. From the passage, we can say that now Buriganga is a dying river. So the correct answer will be dying. Our answer, the best answer will be dying. Now we can go to the next multiple choice. what does the word found mean in the passage? In this passage, what does the word found mean? Found শব্দটির অর্থ কি? It's a verb, and what is the meaning of this word found? According to passage, you must give the meaning of the word found. To see, দেখা, to establish, স্থাপন করা, to make, তৈরি করা, to throw, নিক্ষেপ করা. In this passage, if we go through the passage found, we find that the Mughals founded the capital Jahangirnagar on its bank. So, from this sentence, we are clear that here found means to establish, স্থাপন করা. মুঘলরা বুড়িগঙ্গার তীরে তাদের রাজধানী স্থাপন করেছিল. So, the best answer will be to establish. Now, number C. In the past, the Buriganga was a great source of. In the past, the Buriganga was a great source of. অতীতে বুড়িগঙ্গা কি ছিল? এনার্জি, শক্তি, ন্যাচারাল বিউটি, প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্য, ড্রিঙ্কিং ওয়াটার, পানীয় জল, ইরিগেশন. We can say all are true, all are correct for the answer, question, but the best answer will be drinking water. It was a great source of drinking water for the Mughal, for the capital Jahangirnagar. So, in number C, in the past, the Buriganga was a great source of drinking water. Though all the answers are correct, but the best answer will be drinking water. You must choose the best answer from 4 alternatives. So, according to the passage, we will have to select drinking water for this question. Now, number D, the word stains in the passage means. Stains means. What is the meaning of the word stains according to the passage? Bad smell, sweet smell, pollution, dirt. From the passage, we are sure that the meaning of the word stains is bad smell. According to the passage, the meaning of the word stains is bad smell. So, the correct answer will be bad smell. Now, the last question, the name of the river Buriganga came from. The বুড়িগঙ্গার নামকরণ করা হয় দ্য ধলেশ্বরী, ধলেশ্বরী থেকে দ্য যমুনা, যমুনা থেকে দ্য গ্যাংস, গঙ্গার থেকে দ্য বে অফ বেঙ্গল. From the passage, we can collect the information that the name Buriganga came from the Ganges because it's a tributary of the river Ganges. This is how you will have to answer 5 multiple choice questions. Now, you will have to answer 5 short questions. For 5 multiple questions, you will get 5 marks, and for 5 short questions, you will be rewarded with 10 marks. For each short question, you will have 2 marks. But when you will write down the short questions, you must keep in mind that the answer, the language of the question must be in your own language. You will have to collect information from the passage, but the answer will be in your own language. And the answer must be informative and in your own language. For example, I am writing some questions from the passage. Short questions. Number B. How is the condition of the rivers in Bangladesh? How is the condition of the rivers in Bangladesh? বাংলাদেশে যে নদীগুলো আছে তাদের কন্ডিশন কেমন? How is the condition of the rivers in Bangladesh? বাংলাদেশে নদীগুলোর অবস্থা কেমন? From this passage, we can guess the condition of various rivers, different rivers of Bangladesh? The answer will be the condition of the rivers in Bangladesh is not good at all. Condition of the rivers in Bangladesh is not good at all. বাংলাদেশের যে নদীগুলো আছে তাদের অবস্থা আদৌ ভালো নয়। Some of them have already died and some of them are about to die. Some of them have already died. বাংলাদেশে কিছু নদী আছে যারা অলরেডি নিশ্চিহ্ন হয়ে গেছে, and some of them are about to die. আর কিছু সংখ্যক নদী আছে প্রায় নিশ্চিহ্ন হওয়ার পথে, প্রায় মৃতপ্রায় আর কি। This is the answer, correct answer of this question. What is the condition of the rivers in Bangladesh? You need not lengthen the question. You must write down the question with correct information. Now we can write another question. Number B. Why are the rivers dying? Why are the rivers dying? It's a small question and simple information. We'll have to collect information from the passage. We can change the question into assertive. At first you will have to change the question into assertive. If you write down the answer correctly and easily, you can change the question into affirmative, into assertive. The rivers are dying because of pollution. We collect information from the passage. The rivers are dying because of pollution. The rivers are dying because of pollution. দূষণের কারণে নদীগুলো। Why are the rivers dying? Sorry, নদীগুলো কেন মারা যাচ্ছে? The rivers are dying because of pollution. The main information, because of pollution. Now the third question, number C. Why did the Mughals found their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga? Why did the Mughals found their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga? বুড়িগঙ্গার তীরে কেন মোগলরা তাদের ক্যাপিটাল সিটি জাহাঙ্গীরনগর স্থাপন করেছিলেন? The answer will be adverb of cause. Why? The answer of why will be adverb of cause. Why did the Mughals found their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga? Now we can change the question into an assertive sentence. At first we omit why, we transform the question into assertive. The Mughals as the question is in past tense, our answer should be in past tense. Mughals founded their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the change the question into an assertive sentence. The Mughals founded their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga. Now we will collect information from the passage. Because they were marveled at the tide level of the river. We have collected information from the passage because they were marveled at the tide level of the river. তারা এই নদীর যে স্রোতধারাতে তারা মুগ্ধ হয়েছিল, যার কারণে তারা কি করছিল, তারা এখানে তাদের রাজধানী জাহাঙ্গীরনগর স্থাপন করেছিল আর কি। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, when did the Mughals found their capital Jahangir on the bank of the Buriganga? When did the Mughals found their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga? কখন তারা বুড়িগঙ্গার তীরে তাদের ক্যাপিটাল সিটি স্থাপন করেছিল? অ্যাডভার্ব অফ টাইম, on the bank of the Buriganga. Now we will collect information from the passage. The Mughals founded their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga when we try to collect the information from the passage in 1610. In 1610, the Mughals founded their capital Jahangirnagar on the bank of the Buriganga in 1610. Very easy question and answer. Now the last question. Now the last question, number E. How can we save our rivers? How can we save our rivers? কিভাবে আমরা আমাদের নদীগুলোকে বাঁচাতে পারি? এই যে অধিকাংশ নদী নিশ্চিহ্ন হয়ে যাচ্ছে, how can we save our rivers? The answer will be adverb of manner. We can change the question into assertive at first. We can save our rivers by controlling pollution. By controlling pollution, we can save our rivers by controlling pollution. Pollution control করে আমরা আমাদের নদীগুলোকে সেভ করতে পারি, নদীগুলোকে রক্ষা করতে পারি। This is how we can solve the passage as first one, where you will have to select 5 best answer and you will have to write down 5 short questions. Today I am solving the passage as the first one, and next class I will try my best to solve the passage as second passage and third passage. You will try your best to go through the passage attentively, and you will try your best to find out more problems and solve them accordingly. No more today. Stay home. Thank you. See you again.